You should be born in a religion. Church means religion. So with all external things, you are born there, not you are supposed to stay there. You should graduate, and that graduation happens only when you validate Shastra, when you believe Sampradaya. Because Sampradaya is the only thing which can give you this. If I have really delivered the talk perfectly, you can really guess what teaching is, what preaching is. Preaching is for entertainment. At times to say that I know those things which you don't know. Swamiji, I also want to know. No. You are such a papi, it's not possible to you. Why? I am great, But teaching is not like that. This is not to show that I know, but to show them, to give a realization and impetus that you can also know like this. There is a lot of difference. Can you understand now? One way is I know, that's all. Second way is I know, and you can also know. It's so easy if you put proper effort. So the teaching is always from Sampradaya. Sampradaya is the key. So you can follow anything, but don't neglect the Sampradaya. Because Sampradaya is great. Today, if I have a guru, or you have a guru, you have a guru, you have a guru, you have a guru, only because of Sampradayam, Guru Sishya Sampradayam, you have a guru. Minus the Sampradaya, who is guru, who is Sishya? Tell me. So our Guru Sishya Sambandham api, even this relation with your gurus, is validated and has come up to you only because of Sampradaya. If you degrade that, if you don't follow that, thinking that this is the end, no, that is wrong way. You should follow. Tasmat Shastram Pramanante Karya Karya Vyavasthitau. Bhagavan says Gita, hey Arjuna, not even my words. Not even my words. The great Krishna says, Tasmat, therefore, Shastram eva Pramanante. Shastram is Pramana. For what? Karya Akarya. What is to be done, what is not to be done. Nor your intellect, nor somebody's intellect. So always respect Shastra. And always try to, you are already devotees now. Try to become a disciple. Because a devotee is a person who now and then goes to Ooty. Ooty ante, there is tapam, so I want to go to Ooty and enjoy the Ooty for some time and come back. This devotee's mind is also like that. Whenever he has a problem, God. Problem is God, who are you? This is how devotee's mind is. Because it wants to go. And if it will come back, it won't stay there. Yes. It wants the Guru Ooty, the Ooty Guru, who gives all Adhyatma, Adi Bhautika, Adi Daivika, Tapa Prashanti he gives. Like Ooty, Challadana Vichad. So you want to have him now and then, that's all. And only to that extent. You won't allow him everywhere. But disciple is not like that. Devotee is using the Guru. Using some holy man, Guru, Avatara, anything you can say. Using him for my relaxation. Instead of relaxation, see, whenever I go to him, I am becoming happy. Whenever I am in his proximity, I feel so great, elevated as well as elated. Right? I am enjoying this, and it cannot be dismissed. This is my experience. And he goes to where? Nowhere. He is just like that. When he is like that, why can't I? Why can't I? Because he has done something. I will also do. No, Swamiji, he has done tapasya in Himalayas with head down and legs up. No, that tapasya is not required for all this. See, inner thing, only understanding is enough. Because that understanding rules your life. Understand or not? Got it? No? So you need not have talakinda kalu paina, gymnastics you need not do. Just proper understanding. Because my anandam is removed by ignorance. I can be happy now. I can be. Only because of certain ignorance and improper thoughts I am not happy. So to become happy, what I want? Proper thoughts, proper way of things, proper understanding. So like that, if you can get that, instead of relaxation, you will depend on him for realization. That which is already in you. If you become that, then only Guru and Sishya. Otherwise, some time pass, that's all. Understand? Some time pass in the name of spirituality. So if you want to do time pass also, you are free, because our matam is so great that it will not arrest anyone. If you say, I want to just do time pass, all the best. And what is that you want? I want to enjoy more. No problem. We have certain yogas. You do, you will be healthy up to 95th year. You can produce children at that time. Okay, so enjoy thoroughly. Now I want money. There also they give you. Lovingly they give you all these methods. Perfect body, perfect health, all techniques only we gave, Veda gave. So no problem, enjoy. No, I am realized now. No, if I enjoy like this, will I get moksha? No, you should not ask that. You will have Ananta Janma Parampara. Oh, will I be born in America again? No. Not possible. Because with this sort of enjoyment, you have accumulated a lot of papam. So any Janma may come. When will I get human birth then? No guarantee. It will come someday. That someday can be next birth, can be next kalpa. Next kalpa and Samanyam time, because it's not an ordinary time to say kalpa. Kalpa means gone for good. So it says, when you have ability, why don't you use that? You have the endowment, why don't you use that? So use them, and that usage, method of usage, value of usage, everything come from Shastra, and approach the Shastra for the sake of, and that too with the key of Sampradaya. Don't ever go to Shastra with Asampradaya person. Shall I not respect him? Respect. Respect is different. Only Sampradayavadi has to teach. Sampradaya is there, how to learn. Then how to know he knows Sampradaya or not? He should be a Shishya before to become the Guru. That's a minimum qualification. He is a Shishya before. Shishya to whom? Some Yogacharya? No. Yogacharya Shishya, he can teach yoga. Understand? He should be a Shishya of Veda. Understand? Today we are suffering, you don't know. The knowledge which we have shared is required for everyone. But today what is the situation? There is no people to listen to it. If I would have claimed that in Knoxville a Swami has come, that who by seeing your face will tell 2 past Janmas, 2 future Janmas, and this Janma free. And cost is $200. I challenge. I can attract more people like that. Yes, more people. Swamiji can attract, but he will not be successful. No. A man who can teach like this, if he tries to do that, he will be the successful man. And I will tell him such a truth that he cannot say no to that. If he asks, Swamiji, please tell me till how much time I live. Eppadidaka bratukutanu. Chachedaka bratukutau. Don't worry. Nice. Because anything. You are laughing. But if I put Vibhuti and all Kamandalam, Danda, etc., if I sit like this, it is so easy. To teach Vedanta is a headache, because I have to make you think. There, if I stop that fellow thinking, and which is all easily possible, then if I want to make thinking, it's difficult. But if I want to stop that fellow thinking, 2-3 things. Day before yesterday, someone thought like this about me and he dead today. Ammo. That's all. And 1-2 Sishyas. If I can manage to have 2 Sishyas, whom I will give 20-20 share. Out of 100, 60 to me, 20 to them, including flight ticket, that's enough. Whole America I can do wonders. In fact, I know some wonders also I can do. So all this happens. So that's not the way. Sampradaya. Because though we can go take blessings, that's all good, but don't depend on them for this teaching. Learn from them and respect the Sampradaya. Today problem is Sampradayavadis are not available. Sampradayavadi not in your sense, sir, please. Not in the sense of Lalu Prasad Yadav or Mulayam Singh Yadav. Sampradayavadi who knows the Sampradaya of teaching. Like physics, Sampradaya is there, the way of teaching physics. Law is also a Sampradaya. If I wear kashayam and sit down and teach law, there is a paddhati. Yes. Only in that way, if I teach, you will understand. Like that today it's important. India, the place of Sampradaya is overlooking all this. And same thing with America, same thing everywhere. So at least you should have this, respect the Sampradaya. And it happened, one fellow went for appendicitis operation. Then once he entered into the theatre, he came running from that. He came back running with so much sweat on his face, shivering. The friend asked him, who was accompanying him, what is the problem? It's a small operation, you can go and just lie down the way they said. No, there comes the problem. That fellow asked, what? There is a surgeon's table. Ah, that will be there. Listen to me, there is a surgeon, and there is a big hole on the surgeon table. Yes. And they asked me to lie on it. How? Upside down. For appendicitis. Yes. Then what happened? Doctor came. Then. And he was lying under the table like this. And put on the gloves and scissors, etc. Then he was about to operate. Then what happened? I asked him, doctor, why you are doing like this? No, before becoming doctor, I was a mechanic. So only in this way I can do. Hey, don't worry, I am dexterous in cutting. I did all that what they have a dolls and all those things on which now operation you can practice. I did on that. Ayyo babu, it is doll, no problem. The procedure may be correct. You can cut in the particular, that what is the incision. Proper incision you can do and all this, but everything will fall down now if you sleep like this. So you may be dexterous in blessing, but not in this way. So like that, a person may be great, but he should know the way of doing operation. That is called Shastra Kriya. This is called Shastra Kriya. Shastra Kriya or Shastra Kriya requires an efficient person and also preparation from your side. The doctor is going to operate, why should I prepare? No. Even the subject is also to be prepared. The Shishya or the Rogi, they prepare him so much. Post-operative parameters are there, and they shave all the hair and put so much, all those things. Like that here also, sadhana is required, understanding is required. Everyday regular vicharana, Brahma vicharana required, meditation is required. Everyday puja required, everything is required. Don't think I caught hold of one thing and he will take care. No one can take care. Who said? Krishna said. Uddhared atmanatmanam. నేను నువ్వే ఉద్ధరించుకో, నాకు సంబంధం లేదు. అంటే నువ్వేం చేయవా, ఊరికే కూర్చుంటావా? లేదు, ఉద్ధరిస్తా. తేషామహం సముద్ధర్త. I will uplift those people who come up to what stage? 4th stage. At least if you can come up to that, for jnana I will take. From sakama karma, go to niskama karma. Slowly graduate to ekarupa upasana. Then aneka rupa. When you can see aneka rupa, wherein you feel I am always with God, then I will pull you to jnana. Wherein even that difference I will take out, you and your God. Like it happened in the case of Ramakrishna. You have to come up to that stage. So your life is not meant for ordinary things. Your life is not meant for bhojanam and nidra. Life is meant for much more. Let the life on earth be a life of contribution, be a life of learning, be a life of knowing, be a life of realization, life of making others happy, yourself happy. Let it be a purposeful life. Ananda Jivanam we want. So I pray to Bhagavan that we should be blessed with that Ananda Jivanam, and also that I appeal to all of you that never ignore the spiritual growth, because if you ignore it, you have ignored every desired thing of yours. If you want happiness, you have ignored it. If you want security, you have ignored it. You have ignored literally the positive, the purposeful, the useful, the substantial thing you have ignored. So never do that. You can be ignorant of the world, but never be ignorant to this. Okay, achieve this.